Passing for pretty for hoes, thinking like the bumblebee. European Chevy thing, pop out with great leather seat. South Memphis killer players, we got brand new tape for sales. Mr. Styles bumping loud in the South, we bring the crowd. Chevy thing, bring up clean, contact with the fucking pump. Cuz show me love, cave, I locked them in the fucking trunk. Damn, I'm going crazy, man. Razor blanket in my hand, baby, I be saving babies. Fuck my lady, I'm the man. Rapping ain't no fucking thing. Triple zip, biggity bang. Shoulda made not me blind, put him in cloud, and I made no K-Rod. Put him in cock in the cock, go pop in the drop, and he covered like enemy nigga. They keep on the trigger, I'm thinking the pimpers, they leave it in the triple zig. I'm back when I been on the temple, niggas in the crook, just let you I'm out in the clip, and the slip, get tripping, I'm flipping on lip. Niggas, I'm dropping the musical style. Killer, clank, go blasting bitches, killing them when they skipping, pippin', triple six, go on your way. Bitch, we have no fucking witness, fucking witness, fucking witness.
Back, but yet I'm always the center of attention. Baby, ass nigga on this MC Mac. You best believe I'm packing ammunition for these buster snitches. Staining, robbing, ain't no thing. I'm pimping, win for racks, the riches. Hustling on the track, my engine stacking. Plus I'm breaking helper. Make my cheese bitch break your knees. Goddamn, back is clever. Busters trying to play, I hate me, but they cannot aggravate me. Dropping salt off in my game, but MC Mac will never change. I'm cheaping like an Indian, and that's the type of stage I'm in. I'm blasting with this yawking trick. We staining like a fucking wasp. Provoke me, joke me, play me, make me fuck your bitch ass, pull your car. We creepin' late at night with them things on the roof. Trick, let's see who's hard. I ask myself the question, why these watermelon niggas wanna pack my pimpin'? Jealous cause I'm riding on gold and sweating these hoes up out they clothes. So brace yourself for the impact of the Mac. This ain't the first of the month and we breaking bones and having blasting bitches. Hoes, so be a witness, be a witness.
No love up in the nigga when I'm creeping for a killing. When you beat this lips, the magic clicks. So you beat this with no patience. So can I make this regular day? From the buckshot to your grades, bullets flay. Ripping and stripping the homo, getting 1, 2 shreds. Pimps and killers, kinda men. I left them beating, scared from horror. Other clubs said that I told to suffer in them chambers. The morning, the frying, cause eternally they torment the burning. In the bottom of my piece speech, I raise it back up, but you niggas were quick just like the heave of dead. My master would have powers to devour you bitches to burn in hell. I'm clicking with madness from them trippers, this killer demons. The anger that's in me, it's got me spitting bitches crazy, man. I'm looking up, creeping, here come the scamming, sneaking in to drop a mention bomb and leave bodies in the slums. I kill like clap massacre, leaving the bitches around of them ditches. One bitches of damage, glitch on bitches, then they rip them in pieces. No love, bitch.
Yeah, this MC Mac with the click, the killer clan, you know what I'm saying? Coming at your ass for the 9-6, my nigga K-Rock and Scan Man, and I'm about this bitch hoe.